Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gamer Girl. Today I am unboxing Naruto card. First Naruto card. First time. Okay. First one is Senin. Rikudo Senin. Second one is Uchiha Sasuke. Uchiha Sasuke. Third one is Yakushi Kabuto. Next one is Yakubo Kabuto. Next is Uchiha Shisui. Uchiha Shisui. Next one is Uzumaki Naruto. Uzumaki Naruto. Next one is Conan. And next one is Namikaze Minato. Namikaze Minato. Next one is Fuga Hinato. Okay. Okay, next is Pokemon card. I will unbox. First one is Regileki. Second one is Chiyu. Third one is Sukanato. Fourth one is Copperia. Fifth one is Anihimpe. Fourth one is Fiora. Next one is Blaziken. Next one is Arcane. Next one is not this completed. Next is football card. Okay, this unbox that. First one is Muhammad Salah. Second one is Leon Goretzka. Next one is Kai Havertz. Next one is Phil Foden. Next one is Mohammed Salah. Next one is Mohammed Salah. Okay, done. This last one is Mohammed Salah. First one is Mohammed Salah. Okay, bye. You want many unboxing video to comment? You want so unboxing videos. Okay, bye.